In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Google Sites. Adding visuals is one of the easiest ways to make your pages more engaging, and the process is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently place the right image in the right spot. First, open Google Sites and make sure you're editing the page where you want the image to appear. If you see a pencil icon or an edit button, click it to enter editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when the right-hand sidebar shows options for building your page. Next, look to the right panel and click Insert. This is your main toolbox in Google Sites. It's where you add different types of content, and it includes the image options we need today. Clicking Insert reveals tiles and buttons for text, layouts, and of course images. Now select images, then choose either Upload or select from Google Drive or Photos. Pick Upload if the file is saved on your computer. If your image lives in Google Drive or Google Photos, choose Select and browse to it there. Both paths lead to the same result, getting your picture ready to be placed on the page. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great, and higher quality images will look sharper on larger screens. Choose the image you want to add. Take a moment to pick the version that best fits your layout. Horizontal images often work well across a section, while vertical images can sit nicely next to text. If you're deciding between a few, think about clarity and how the image supports your content. Finally, click Insert to place it on the page. The image will appear right where your cursor was, and you can adjust it immediately. Drag the image to reposition it within the section, and use the corner handles to resize it without distorting the proportions. The blue alignment guides help you keep things neat and centered. If you're working with columns, you can drag the image into a different column to change the layout. If it feels too large or too small, adjust in small steps and preview the overall balance of text and visuals. And if you change your mind, selecting the image and pressing delete will remove it so you can try another. That's all there is to it. Open your page, use the insert panel, choose where your image comes from, select it, and place it exactly where you want. With these basics, you'll have sharper, more compelling pages in minutes.